Welcome to Homework Lib.
Hello students, in this question we have been asked for the first part that the titration went to a purple endpoint. This means the volume of sodium hydroxide added is more than the required volume. The concentration of acid determined by the titration would be higher than the actual concentration of acid. In the next case, if air was not excluded from the burette, the volume of sodium hydroxide added would be lower than the actual value which is required for the titration. The endpoint will be achieved with incorrect reading from the burette. In the next case, hydrochloric acid is a strong acid and will completely dissociate into ions, whereas the acetic acid is a weak acid and will not completely dissociate. The volume of sodium hydroxide required for hydrochloric acid solution to be neutralized would be greater than the volume of sodium hydroxide required for neutralization of acetic acid. Hope you find the video helpful. Thank you.